welcome to our subject Physical Science, where we can explore the amazing universe, including the motions and energy, the natures of matters in atom, including the chemical reaction and the forces that holds the universe together. I am Sir Nicole B. Malyari, and I will be your subject teacher. Hello and welcome to our subject Physical Science. And today we are going to talk about the electrons, whether they are ionic, non-polar, or polar covalent bond. And to get this type of bond, we need to have the difference, or we need to get the difference in their electronegativity. Having this type of their electronegativity, your teacher should give you a copy of this one to get the difference of the electronegativity of your elements. Now, when are we going to say that the elements are, or the bonding is a ionic, non-polar, or polar covalent? If the difference in their electronegativity is from 0 to 0.4, that means it is a non-polar covalent bond. Okay? If the difference is from 0.5 to 1.7, it means that is a polar covalent bond. If the difference is from more than 1.7, that is ionic bond. So, if the sharing of electrons is in a equal, no? That is a non-polar. If the sharing of the electron is either positive or either negative, they are on the ionic bond. If the sharing is partially positive and partially negative, it should be a polar covalent bond. Now, how can we able to identify this type of bond? Let us simply have the example. So these are example of compound elements. We have the NF3, CH4, and NiCl. We are going to get their difference in electronegativity using this pattern. So in getting the electronegativity, we have the sign difference in electronegativity. So what is the electronegativity of N? We have 3.0. So we just need to write it. Now, what is the electronegativity of F, or fluorine? We have 4.0. So the difference between the nitrogen and fluorine, we have 1.0. If we are going to talk about the type of bond, so it falls under the polar covalent bond because it is already 1. So it is a polar covalent bond. Okay, now we are going to get the difference of CH4. The electronegativity of C is 2.5. So difference of electronegativity, we have 2.5 for carbon, and hydrogen is 2.1. So 2.1. So the difference between carbon and hydrogen is 0.4. So let us try to figure out what type of bond is CH4. So 0.4. So the maximum of electronegativity is for non-polar is 0.4. So it is a non-polar bond. Actually, covalent bond pala siya. Okay. Now, LiCl. So let us get the electronegativity of LiCl. So Li, lithium is 1. So difference of 1. Then Cl is 3.0. 3.0. So the difference between Li and Cl is 2. Far difference from the other. So a type of bond for LiCl is, it is more than 1.7, so it is a ionic.